new toy do you have?
The Sony Bloggy.
What's that mean?
The Sony Bloggy. This is a video. We're doing a video right now. You girls are on it. Yeah. Go ahead. That's it. Go ahead.
Phillies!
Flyers.
Is that what it is? It's a bloggy.
Look at these queers.
Can't just the camera do that? You gotta have a special camera to do that?
Yeah, this goes right on. I'll show you, Joe. Hey girls, let's give a wave here.
Cheer.
Oh, Max. There's Max. Maxwell Bourgeois. What's today? May 18th? Phillies versus the Pittsburgh Pirates. And on the other side we have the Philadelphia Flyers. Who are they versing? Montreal? Montreal Canadiens.
I was telling Paul. He put his head down and walked off. Such a queer.
Riley, wave. Joseph Del Soda. Dell's on the boardwalk. Oh yeah. If you got a pocket full of money, go up to Dell's on the boardwalk. Hey Riley, wave. You here for the Phillies? They're playing the Pittsburgh Pirates. You want them to win? Huh? You don't know?
He's from like, I don't know. He's from somewhere. He goes, that's what we call him.
That's my daughter. That's my special one.
Oh my gosh. Alright, we got the edge of this table. Where are you putting that cooler?
Hey Natalie. Hey Mrs. Mack. Hey Mrs. Mack.
Go Flyers, go Phillies.
Alright Riley, wave goodbye.
Alright, Nabby, who's the team?
Bye bye. What's the game?
Huh?
Robin, what game are you playing?
Flip Cup.
Flip Cup?
Yeah, Flip Cup.
Flip Cup. Is that a Penn State game? Oh, too slow, too slow.
I know, Penn State's in the top.
What are you on, Danielle? I'm not playing. 1, 2.
Are you guys number one?
You stand here. You be last.
Paul, you eating again?
What is this?
You want to
This probably got the biggest crowd in the whole parking lot.
seriously.
Oh yeah.
Great idea, man.
What do you think? Who's going to win tonight, Jer?
Philadelphia Phillies.
What's the score going to be? Give me the score.
6-2.
6-2. All right, we got that.
Hey, one more person.
Get in there, Bob. Who do we want? Frank.
I need one person. Come on, Sue. That's all it is one sip. Mark, right here. Not taking that. We need them.
You guys made too much fun of my home, like green parents. And now
what is that? What? There was a white line down your ass.
he's shoving it in there. You guys hate when I put this on anything. It gets all wound up. Yeah, it gets all excited. And you can fold it up. Oh, yeah. I like that deal.
race, but you can't go to the table. You can't wait till you can't go inside of the table. Probably told me to have it. Alright.
Alright, what is this?
Do it.
She still owns this 41 shots you?
I want to get a view of what they're doing.
22, right? Yeah, boo, you had one already.
I want to watch it so it's... Hold on, let me get that. Get your finger up. Number 1, Phillies. All right, let's keep it so we can...
warm watching a movie?
This side of the table.
Just do the game.
Let's just go.
Come on.
Priceless.
Oh my God, hear this? We didn't never play that. You go right.
For the old woman.
Let the three rocks go. Let some frogs and mountains. Are you ready?
Oh, Ash, needs help.
Natalie, the wind is not us. Get in the front. Oh, yes. Judy, go.
Go! Oh, she's still
Come on, Natalie. Come on. Do it, Natalie.
blocking the camera.
Only a little bit, Susan. Can't lose
Uh-oh,
it.
she's had lots of doing it.
A little bit.
I don't like this game. Play quarters. A little later.
Uh-oh. Hurry up.
What's the name of that game? Flip Cop. That's a good game. Oh yeah, a lot of talent at this table. Flip Cup. Flip Cup's now over. May 18th. See you guys all later. YouTube.